I got it here, portable cart type stove. It's brand new, but it is pretty vintage. I got it from eBay. I don't know, maybe it's not so vintage, but let me show you what it's all about. So it's like a mini burner. You know those box burners for camping? They sell them all over Walmart. You got right here a super mini one. Wow, this is amazing. That's so cute. I love tiny stuff. What is this? Oh, that's how you turn it on. And look, you plug it in and turn it. That is so awesome. And it's also for the big pots. Looks like, I don't know, nothing happening. Is it all the way in? I think I got to turn it all the way in. And also, let's open this stuff for the bigger pots. If you have a tiny pot, you can obviously close this and put a small mug, type of metal mug, you know what I'm talking about? I know. Oh, there you go. I see. You just have to flip it all the way around. It kind of comes off easily. Let me close it. There's nothing else to hold in it. Nope. So let's put it in and twist it all the way around. So that way it does not come off. Still wanna kinda come off. Whoa! Maybe that's why it's vintage. The connection problem for sure. It's still burning out there. So I see why it's kind of vintage, because right here something need to hold it on the bottom, because whenever I plug it in it's nice, but then it's starting to fall out on me. And you see I'm talking about, even if I spin it all the way, you see it starts to lift. So there is a connection issues. They should have few holes that something holding it, because whenever I'm putting it down, okay, it's unlocked. Even when I try to open it a little bit, you hear it? It starts to give away almost too much gas. Oh, there you go. It's kind of works. Look at that flame. It's kind of giving away too much flame. Doesn't really adjust well. But there you go. You have here a burner that you could put on a big pot like that. Nice. But again, I don't see much heat protection against this tube. I don't want this thing overheat. So I would probably put it on lowest, like this right here. And it burns pretty good. It's cute, but it is not very safe. Oh my gosh, it's already simmering. There is not much water. But yeah, there you go, guys. Very unsafe mini stove right here. It's cute, but I don't like that there's no protection from this thing, and it kind of sits super close to it. And look at this adjustment. Whoa! And whenever I try to turn it off, it shuts off slowly. So I'm just gonna get rid of it, maybe put it into my collection, but actually never use it. So yeah, unique little thing, that's for sure. I wish it would actually be safe and worked really well, because once you're done, look, it looks in so cutely, so small, on that kind of butane gas, you know, from Walmart that you can buy all day.